Thank you for choosing Ixcela, the internal fitness company. Please watch this entire video before beginning and follow its instructions to ensure a viable sample. Do not take paracetamol or Panadol 72 hours before collecting your sample. Open your Ixcela kit and look for the registration card, the sample information card, the sample collection instructions, a foil bag with the Mitra Cartridge, a clear plastic bag with sampling supplies, and a paper towel. First, let's use the card titled How to Register Your Ixcela Kit. Using your phone, go to ixcela.com/register-hb. Complete the form to set up your Ixcela account. Enter Code 1 and Code 2 listed on the card. Click Register. Complete your health profile questionnaire. It takes about 3 minutes. Ixcela needs this information to generate your results. Now that you've registered, it's time to collect your sample. Please wash your hands. Unfold the paper towel. Open the clear plastic bag and place all the supplies on the paper towel. Remove the lancet caps. Open the Mitra bag. Note, leave the desiccant in the bag. It's important that the desiccant is included with your sample. Open the Mitra cartridge, alcohol pads, gauze, and bandages. Again, make sure your hands are washed. Rub them together to warm them, increasing circulation so that you will bleed more easily. Clean the top half of the middle or ring finger on your non-dominant hand. Allow to air dry. It's important to commit to a firm finger prick. For best results, rest your cleaned hand on the table. Prick your finger by firmly pressing down on the lancet until a click is heard. Massage your pricked finger downward until a blood drop appears. Wipe away the first drop of blood with gauze. Touch the sampling tips to the blood drop. Watch the tip turn fully red, count 2 seconds, and remove. It's okay to apply the tips to the blood drop many times in order to fill it. There should be no white on the tip showing. Note, if you're having trouble getting enough blood, it's likely because the finger prick was too light. Prick your finger again by pushing down firmly using the second lancet. Check the bottom of the sampling tip to make sure there is no white showing. We cannot process the sample if there's not enough blood. Set the Mitra cartridge down. Wipe the blood from your finger using gauze. Apply a bandage. Write your full name, email, phone, collection date, and date of birth on the sample information card. Close the Mitra cartridge. Write your full name, date of birth, and collection date on the Mitra device. Insert the Mitra cartridge into the foil bag with the desiccant packet. Seal the foil bag shut. Use a rubber band to secure the foil bag to your Ixcela information card. Place your completed sample into the drop box. You're all set! Your results will post to your account within 10 days. Look for email updates from support@ixcela.com. Contact support@ixcela.com if you have any questions. Thank you again for choosing Ixcela.